In laboratories and pharmaceutical industries where precision and safety are paramount, this rapid cooling sterilizer offers an efficient and fully automated process for culture media, syringes, and critical materials. Its motorized vertical sliding door system enables smooth opening and closing without manual intervention, optimizing space and enhancing safety during daily operations. Furthermore, it features a double-door configuration with a pressure and temperature-activated safety interlock to ensure reliable operation during every cycle. The automatic pneumatic sealing system utilizes a high-strength silicone ring, designed to provide superior durability and a hermetic seal, even during intensive processes. The inner chamber, constructed from IC316L stainless steel, offers exceptional corrosion resistance and ensures maximum hygiene. Thanks to the Siemens PLC controller and colored touchscreen interface, operators can monitor temperature, pressure, cycle time, and F0 values in real time, thereby ensuring uniform and precise sterilization. With a 250-liter capacity and a maximum operating temperature of 139 degrees Celsius, this unit combines advanced technology, safety, and high performance to meet the demands of the most rigorous environments.